What's the meaning of crab? Crab. Crab.
Crab. Crab. The word crab refers to a type of crustacean with a broad carapace, 2 claws, and 10 legs. Crabs are found in oceans, freshwater, and on land, and are known for their distinctive sideways walking motion. They vary in size, from small pea crabs to large king crabs. Crabs are a popular food source and are also used for scientific research, particularly in studies of animal behavior and ecology. They have cultural significance in many societies and are often depicted in art and literature.